Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Hey, hello. Back with me again, Vorhesz, and today I'm gonna show you how to start the scooter. Engine on. So this is just a scooter. The engine is still off, and couple of things you need to know before you start the engine. So this is the scooter, automatic scooter particularly. The automatic scooter have no gears, no clutch, and no neutral gears, so you cannot do these things like twisting the throttle like this. No, you cannot do that after you start. So please remember this is important. So you don't wanna twist it like this. It will jump. So before you start, take your keys. This is the keys for the scooter. Stick it or put it in the ignition. It always on the default is off position, just like this. Can you see that? It's off position. You need to turn it right to the on position like this, and whenever you put it to the on position, the engine check signal is on, and it will off when the engine is checking is okay. It's on. You need to wait it to the signal to turn it off. So okay, after you turn the key, it's simple. We use the electric starter and hold the brake. So put your fingers, I always use 2 fingers on my brake, and push the electric starter just like this. You don't want to touch the throttle when you start, especially if you are very very new, very beginner to riding the scooter. So the engine is on. Can you hear that? And this tire is on like this. And make sure you didn't put the kickstand down like this. It will cut the engine. So this have the feature of switch off the engine or kill the engine whenever it turns down like this. So you need to put it up before you start your engine. Okay, and another one, it's basically, I use the left, now I use the right leverage and push the electric starter. Now I think it's down, yeah, like this. It won't start, right? It won't start like this. What it won't start. You need to push it up or kick it up like this. Use your feet. Then I show you how to use the right brake. Hold it and push the electric starter, and don't twist this. This is so so dangerous if you are beginners. Don't twist it. You have the engine on, and that's it. You're ready to go. Just wait until you feel comfort, and then you can twist the throttle and you're ready to go. Okay, that's basically how you start your engine with the electric starter. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to start your engine using the Kickstarter. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.